PSLE 2022, Paper 2, Question 15. The strategy that I use to solve all my word problems using the acronym of RAISE, R-A-I-S-E. And this is the question that we are discussing today. Question 15 from the year 2022. Let's begin. Question 15, question A. Now, before we move on to question A, let's read the question and annotate at the same time. Muthu spent 4/7 of his money to buy 6 identical pens. Let's represent this using a model. So remember to use a pencil and a ruler. Draw large model, not tiny ones. Cut it into 7 equal parts. Okay. Okay, let me draw mine nicely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Now, 4/7 used to buy 6 identical pens, and the remaining money to buy 4 such pens and 3 files. So from here, I can further analyze that 2 units of the money can buy 3 pens. All right, this is easily understood. 4 units can buy 6 pens. 2 units, of course, can buy 3 pens. That means 1 unit can buy 1.5 pen. Of course, in reality, it's ridiculous to have 1.5 pen. So, this portion over here is then this way, right? 1.5, 1.5 pen, right? Over here, okay, is actually 1 pen and 3 files. Why is that so? This one, I take out 3 pens, I left 1 pen, right? And this 3 pen is already here. This part would be here. So 1 pen and 3 files should have the same cost as 1.5 pen. I'm going to write this down. One pen and 3 files cost the same as 1.5 pen. So 3 files must cost 0.5 pence. This is easily understood using the part whole concept. Now, I'm going to present this using a fraction as required in question A. So what fraction of Muthu's money was spent on the files only? Okay, so we only need the files, right? Okay, so, oh, I wrote wrongly here. My apology. Okay, so we want the files only, right? So that means the fraction will be the 3 files out of the entire money that Muthu had. So this is our fraction. So the 3 files is the pricing should be the same as half pen, right? And if you look carefully, the overall is 7 units, right? And 7 units is the same as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1.5. So that is our 10.5 pen. Okay, so 7 units is equivalent to 3 times 3 plus 1.5. So that is 10.5 pence. So if I use a calculator, this is algebraic expression. So the pence will be cancelled away. So 0.5 divided by 10.5. Our calculator will tell us it is 1 out of 21. So this is the answer for part A. So Muthu spent 1 out of 21 1 out of 21 of his money to buy 3 files. A is completed. Moving on to part B in my next slide. So I'm going to repeat what I have written previously. To buy 3 files, Muthu used 1 out of 21 of his money. Now, we are told that for every 5 files purchased, 1 file will be given free. Okay, that means one set, the person can bring back 6 files. Okay, so let's find the price of 1 file first. So 1 file should be, all right, so this is equivalent to 1 out of 63 of Muthu's money. That's the price of 1 file. Okay, all right, so using his entire money is 1 whole, right? And we all know long time ago that 1 whole is equivalent to 63 out of 63. So 63 out of 63 of Muthu's money should be able to buy 63 files. This is very easily understood. It's a direct proportion. Now, we know that Muthu can just buy 5 files to get 1 file free, right? So the price of 5 files should be 5 out of 63 of his money. So that means Muthu can get 6 files by paying only this. So one set of 6 files, he only need to pay 5 out of 63 of his money. Moving on to the next slide. So one more time, one set of 6 files, remember, buy 5 get 1 free. He spent 5 out of 63 of his money. So how many sets of 6 files, right, can he buy with his entire sum of money? Because in question B it says that how many files would Muthu get in total if he were to spend all his money buy files only, not buying pens, just file. That means use 1 whole of his money. In the earlier slide, 1 whole means 63 out of 63. Okay, so to find this question mark using set method, very simple. We take 63 divided by 5. It is not divisible by 5, so it will give us a remainder. It's 12, remainder 3. Now this 12 represents 12 sets of 6 files. And this 3 is the remaining 3 files. So in total, his original sum of money, 1 whole, Muthu should be able to buy 12 times 6 plus 3. That is 75. 75 files. So part B is done. We have completed question 15. My coming video will be on question 14. So look out for the next release. All you have to do is to subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified on all the new release of my videos. If you like today's video on question 15, give it a thumbs up. Drop me some comments so that I can do better, or you have any special requests or any clarification, yes, please do so. And don't forget to share with anybody who are interested to know about PSLE 2022. Once again, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for following my video. This is Joseph signing off. Goodbye and see you.